Walking in a daze. Understanding the phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of the phrase, walking in a daze. This phrase is quite vivid and descriptive, and it's used quite frequently in English conversations. So, if you're ready, let's dive in and demystify this interesting phrase. Walking in a daze refers to a state where a person is walking but their mind is not fully alert or aware of their surroundings. It's like being in a mental fog where the person is physically moving but mentally distracted or preoccupied. This phrase is often used to describe someone who is shocked, confused, or overwhelmed by certain events that cause them to lose their usual awareness. The phrase can be used in various contexts. For instance, 1. After receiving surprising news. He was walking in a daze after hearing about his sudden job promotion. 2. Experiencing a personal loss. Since the tragic incident, she's been walking in a daze, hardly noticing the world around her. 3. Intense focus or preoccupation. After studying for hours, he walked out of the library in a daze, barely noticing the rain. It's important to note that the phrase is often used metaphorically and does not always involve actual walking. In English-speaking cultures, walking in a daze is a common expression that vividly describes a state of shock or distraction. Variations of this phrase include, in a daze, or, in a fog, both emphasizing a lack of clear thinking or awareness. And that's a wrap on walking in a daze. Understanding such phrases not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you grasp the nuances of the English language. I hope this video clarifies the meaning and use of this picturesque phrase. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful explorations into the English language.